Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Brockenhurst on the South Western Main Line. We'll be seeing services from South Western Railway and CrossCountry. The date today is... what's the date today? Hang on a minute. The date today is Thursday, the 21st of August 2020, and the time is 1:05 in the afternoon. And here we have a train from Lymington terminating here. And there's a level crossing. Ta-da! And as I was waiting to get in the car park, you'll never guess what train drove past. Yep, it was the Trainbow, and I missed it because I was waiting in the car, but hopefully that will come back. And I haven't seen a 4-car 450 in ages, gosh. Up the line is Basingstoke and London Waterloo, and down the line is Bournemouth, and up the line is Southampton Central, and then Basingstoke and Waterloo. Up the line is Waterloo and Basingstoke and other places, Southampton Central. And then down the line is Bournemouth. This episode will be interrupted because I have to get a train to somewhere else. So this train is going to Lymington Town and then Lymington Pier. Pook stand for Boscombe. He's hissing at me. A bit rude. I've been hissed at by a train before.
Lyndhurst, Tottenham and Southampton Central. This train has 5 carriages. Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Union Road, you will need to travel in front.
Is it supposed to be going that way? Oh, it's that way, is it? Oh, okay. seems I'm not the only cat at Brockenhurst today.
Please buy a ticket before getting onto a train. Platform 2 for the 1426 South Western Railway service to Southampton Central, calling at Newley Road, Hampshire, Scotland and Southampton Central. This train has 5 carriages. Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling
So I'm going to take this chance to plug my second channel. I have a second channel. It's where I upload my journey videos, and I've just been to the second location station, and there's some lovely New Forest footage that I filmed that will go up shortly, well, probably in a few weeks. So please go and subscribe to my second channel. Thank you very much. Right then, so I've just been told that I can't film, so that wraps this video up. That guy in the high-vis that you saw approach me at the end, he said, "What are you doing?" Well, I'm train spotting. I mean, you know. So I'm very sorry, but
my disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Thank you very much for watching, and remember to stay alert.
Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.